I am peace, and I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to be peace, and I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to be peace. I choose to be peace. I choose to feel peace. I choose to cultivate peace. I choose to be peace. I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself and everyone else. I choose peace. I choose peace. I choose peace in my body. I choose peace in my mind. I choose peace in my heart. I choose peace in my words. I choose peace in my actions. I choose peace. I choose peace. I choose peace. Clearing anything that doesn't feel like peace. Clearing it at a cellular level. Letting go of any need to hang on to it in this moment. In this moment, it's safe to let go of anything that is not peace and reawaken to my natural ability to feel peace. I am peace. I am feeling peace deep in my body. I am feeling peace deep in my mind. I am peace. Take a deep breath and know that you can always in the moment, in a moment, find your peace. Take good care until next time.